Yes, students. Before starting this class, I thought to share this PDF copy to you, but it is not going. Means it is not uploading. Later, after completion of this class, one more time I will send this copy to you. Okay, na? Clear? Yes. After this discussion, once you go through with this material, na, all objective questions. So many questions are there here. See, so many questions are there here. These all questions you try to solve. Okay. I will try to solve some questions in that. Okay, remaining questions you need to solve now. Okay, and Monday is only your first exam, so there is no sufficient time for you. So prepare well. Okay, 2 days gap is there. But for next exams, we are giving 4 days gap, Nana. For each exam, 4 days gap. Fifth day exam, like that. Within that 4 days, we can cover the important problems of that chapter. Okay, is it clear? Yeah. See, this physical world, nothing is there, just leave it. Now let us directly go to units and measurement, Nana. Yeah. So in this units and measurement, first point what we need to discuss is means what on what topic they may ask you questions is about dimensions. Yes. So about these dimensions, they may ask you questions, Nana. So we need to solve some questions of this. Okay. See, sometimes you know everything about these dimensions, Nana. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes you may get this type of question. See, one example is there. And every dimension means for all the physical quantities in first year and second year, we have discussed dimension formulas for each and every physical quantity. Yes or no? And dimensional formula can be written from the basic fundamental unit. I told you already. Okay. Yeah. See here, one example is given. Yeah, yeah. Someone is raising hand. Who is that? If you have any doubt, just send me a message instead of raising hand. Okay. Yeah. See this question. It is known that time of revolution t of a satellite around the earth depends upon universal gravitational constant g, mass of the earth capital M, and radius of the circular orbit capital R. Obtain an expression for t using the dimension analysis. This type of questions they won't ask you for your competitive exams, but they may ask you in this what are the dimensions of A or B or C, like that they may ask you. This dimension formula to obtain they won't ask, na? They will ask you, see, if the time period of a revolution of a satellite depends upon universal gravitational constant, mass of earth, and radius of the circular orbit, such that g power a, m power b, t power c, then what are the values of a, b, c? That this type of questions they may ask you. So how to solve this type of questions? One example, only one example I am taking, Nana. So you need to do for remaining all the problems, this type of problems. Okay. Yeah. So if this type of question is given, yeah, so first thing what you need to do is, see, just write the equation. T dimensions is equal to g power a given and m power b given. Okay, and r power c given. Okay. See, one thing, what are the dimensions of time? Is time only. Okay. T is equal to dimensions of g. What are the dimensions of g, Nana? G means what? Universal gravitational constant, and that can be written as see, we know force is nothing but F is equal to G m1 m2 by r square. Correct? Yes. Then G can be written as F r square by m square. Means Newton meter square per kg square is the SI unit of G. What is Newton? Newton is nothing but kg meter per second square into meter square by kg square. 1 kg, 1 kg cancel. You will get a unit of G is kg power minus 1 meter cube second power minus 2. means dimensions are m power minus 1 L cube T power minus 2 whole power A. Okay, and this m is means what, Nana? Mass means m power b only directly, and r means what, Nana? Radius means r power c, means r means radius, means nothing but length it is. So length means what we can say? L. Okay, L power c we can write L power c. Okay, so if you observe this one, T is equal to m power, what are they? Minus a, and power b is there, plus b. L power 3 times of a plus c, and T power 2a is there. Okay, now just to compare the dimensions of this T and these all. So on comparison, we can say minus a plus b should be equal to 0. That means a should be equal to b. Okay, next, C 3a plus c also should be equal to 0. Clear, na? That means c should be equal to minus 3a. Okay, yeah, and 2a should be equal to t power 1 is there here, means a should be equal to 1 by 2. If a is 1 by 2, then b also 1 by 2. If a is 1 by 2, c value is minus 3 by 2. Yes, everything we got. So c value is 3 by 2. Okay, clear? Minus 3 by 2 it is. And a and b values are 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Yeah, somewhere else. See this, they have given t power minus 2. Yeah, here. Sorry, small mistake. This is a, see, t power minus 2, no? Here minus, we should write. Yes, sorry. We will do one more time this one. Yes. So kg power minus 1 m cube second power minus 2. Second power minus 2, no? This is minus 2. Okay. Yeah. So now, so t power 1 can be written as m power minus a plus b L power 3a plus c and t power minus 2a. Na? Here minus 2, no? Second power minus 2, no? Now on comparison, we can say minus a plus b is equal to 0. That means a is equal to b, 1 point. Next, 3a plus c is also 0. Then c is equal to minus 3a. Next, minus 2a is equal to 1. a is equal to minus 1 by 2. a is equal to minus 1 by 2 means b is also minus 1 by 2. And a is minus 1 by 2 means c value what, na? Minus 3 into minus 1 by 2 means c value is 3 by 2. So like this, what are the values of a, b, c? They may ask you, na? So like this, we need to solve. Okay, easy questions. This type of questions they may ask you. Is it okay? Can you solve this type of problems? Okay, now students. Okay. Yes. Next. This point is not required. One point what you need to remember is, see, some trigonometric functions, exponents, and logarithmic functions and their arguments, means the values which are in brackets, they doesn't have any dimensions. They are dimensionless quantities. Means like sine theta and theta, they are not having any dimensions. This point you remember. Okay. Yes. So on this topic, how they will ask you questions. See here, down only one example is there. Okay. Yeah. See this example. This example you see, Nana. if alpha is equal to f by v square sine beta t. See, important. Every point is there in this question. Just understand carefully. If alpha is equal to f divided by v square sine beta t is given, find the dimensions of alpha beta. Here alpha and beta dimensions are what they are asking. And what are these fv indicates? They are given. V means velocity, f means force, and t means time. Okay, yeah. See what we can write, what they have given. Alpha is equal to f divided by v square sine beta t. Okay, yeah. See this point. This point you see, Nana. This is trigonometric ratio, no? See here, trigonometric function like sine theta and their argument theta are dimensionless quantity. Means beta into t should have no dimensions. They should not have any dimensions. Clear? So for this, we know t means time. See, they have given t means time. Means this t is having a dimensions of t power 1. Then beta dimension should be what, Nana? M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. Then beta dimensions should be equal to M power 0, L power 0, T power minus 1. This will go down no here like this. So beta dimension should be T power minus 1. 1 point I got. See, here it is. Clear? So first point that you find. Then this total thing is not having any dimensions. Now alpha value should be equal to f by v square. Alpha dimension should be equal to dimensions of f by v square. Okay, what are the dimensions of f? F means nothing but Newton. Newton SI unit is means Newton means nothing but kg meter per second square. Dimensions are m, l, t power minus 2. And velocity means what? An SI unit is meter per second. Means dimensions are m, sorry, l, t power minus 1. Substitute. What are that? M, l, t power minus 2 divided by l, t power minus 1. L cancel, t power minus 1, t power minus 1 cancel. You will get m, l, m, t power minus 1. So these are the dimensions of alpha. See, m, sorry, here v square no given. Now v square given, no, sorry. Let's see, v square is given. Means this total we need to square it, this down. We need to square it. Okay. See, this is m, l, t power minus 2 divided by v. V value l t power minus 1. V square dimensions are l square t power minus 2. So l square t power minus 2. T power minus 2, t power minus 2 cancel. You will have dimensions are m, l power minus 1 because 1l cancel. Clear? Yes. Dimensions of beta are m, l power minus 1. So alpha and beta dimensions both we got. Did you understand, students? Do you understand this point? Yes, I want response from you. Those who are there in this class, just send me one message. Yeah, Karthik Kumar, good. Okay. Now, let us take one exercise problems on this topic. We'll come back to again these points. Okay. Yeah, one exercise problem we will take. I'm going to one exercise, Nana. So I am searching for here. See this type of questions. Yes. See here. Yes. Previously they have asked. See students, and this also 26 also. Let us try to solve this type of problems. See, first 23rd I am taking. The time dependent of a physical quantity P is given as P is equal to P naught e power minus alpha t square, where alpha is constant and t is in time. Then what are the what is alpha dimensions? What they have given? P is equal to P naught exponent power minus alpha t square. Okay. Here what they're asking, what are the dimensions of alpha they're asking. And they have said that t indicates time here. Okay. As we know that this exponent is a dimensionless quantity, means alpha t square dimension should be 0, means m power 0, l power 0, t power 0. But t is nothing but time square is equal to m power 0, l power 0, t power 0. Then alpha is nothing but m power 0, l power 0, t power minus 2. So alpha dimensions are t power minus 2, Nana. Yeah. So where this is m power 0, l power 0, t power minus 2. Second, Naomi, she is sending second option. ML t power minus 1. Why, Nana? Second option is wrong. Sorry. I am seeing, sorry, students. I am seeing 24th options. Okay, sorry. 23rd options, no? Yes. 23rd option has dimensions of t power minus 2. Yes, perfect. Good, Naomi. Good, Nana. Okay. So these are the dimensions of alpha. Now you don't think about this p and p naught. Why? If they'll not mention also, no problem. Because I want only dimensions of alpha. Connecting this point, you see. That's it. Okay. Next. What is the dimension formula of angular velocity? You can see. Once you check, read. Angular velocity. Angular velocity means what? Na? Omega. Correct. Yeah. See, this is also important. Angular velocity is nothing but omega. Omega means what? Na? Theta by t. Theta is no dimensions. T is dimensions. Means t power minus 1. T power minus 1. It should have t power minus 1. Where it is? M power 0, L power 0, t power minus 1. Where it is? Yeah. Option 1 is right answer. Got it, students? Okay. Like this, sometimes you may get need students. And see, this is 25th question, important. The equation of state of some gas can be expressed as P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. What they have given? P plus A by V square into V minus B should be equal to RT. Then here see, here P is pressure they said, and V is volume they said, and T is absolute temperature they said. Then A, B and temperature are constant. Then dimensions of A are what? What are the dimensions of A? We need to find. Yeah. See, in first year we have discussed one important point, that is called as principle of homogeneity. What is principle of homogeneity? According to principle of homogeneity, only those physical quantities can be added or subtracted which are having same dimensions. If two things, if you are adding x plus y, you can add these two things if these two are having same dimensions, and you can subtract these two things if they are having same dimensions. Otherwise you cannot add and we cannot subtract. Clear? Okay, this point is important. This is called as principle of homogeneity. So principle of homogeneity says that if you want to add physical quantities, any physical quantities, or subtract any physical quantities, or if you want to equate any physical quantities, then they should have same dimensions. Clear, Anna? Yeah. So according to that point, see here, you are subtracting V and B. V minus B you are subtracting. That means dimensions of V should be equal to dimensions of B. Means dimensions of B should be equal to V means volume. Volume means L cube. B we got, but B they have not asked. They have asked about A. Dimensions of A means P plus A by V square. Now according to principle of homogeneity, dimensions of P and dimensions of A by V square should be same. Then only we can add them. But for division, it is not required. They should not have any dimensions. They should have any dimensions. Clear? But P means what they said? P means pressure, they said. Pressure means nothing but force upon area. Force SI unit what na? Kg meter per second square. Area means meter square. Means it is kg meter power -1 second power -2. Dimensions what na? M L power -1 T power -2. These are the dimensions of pressure. Okay, means I'll write here M L power -1 T power -2. Dimension should be equal to A divided by volume square. Means L cube is volume whole square. Means the dimensions of A should be equal to M L power -1 T power -2 into L power 6. Means A should be equal to M L power 5 T power -2. Yes, these are the dimensions of A. Where it is? M L power 5 T power -2. Yes, here it is. How many of you got it? Sannidhi, Shravya, Kirti, Chidambar, Anusha, Naomi, Priyanka, Sanjana, Vivek, Runda. Are you getting Shravya, Satish? Okay. These type of problems you may get in your exams, coming exam. Okay. Definitely, I am expecting one question from this dimensions topic. Okay. Good. Okay. Now you try to solve that 26th question, Anna. 26th question try to solve. Then we will go to next topic. 26th question. What will be the answer, Nana? What they have given? F is equal to AT plus BT square. According to principle of homogeneity, dimensions of F, dimensions of AT, and dimensions of BT square should be same. Then only we can add and we can equate. Getting? Yes. That means dimensions of AT should be equal to dimensions of F. Yeah, Naomi, she is sending option 1. Let us check. A time dimensions is equal to F dimensions M L T power -2. Correct? I am getting. Okay. So A is equal to M L T power -3. Yes, these are the dimensions of A. Next, BT square should be equal to F. Means BT square dimensions should be equal to M L T power -2. Then B should be equal to M L T power -4. Yes. Option 1 is right answer. Good. Option A, sir. Yes, good. Vivek. Are you getting? Good, good, Nana. Okay. Yes. Yes. I hope you are understanding. Yes, sir. Just you tell me what will be the answer of 34th question. Yes, important. JEE students and NEET students. If dimensions of A and B are different dimensions they are having, then which of the following operation is valid? Vivek is sending option A. Why option A? Think. Karthik Kumar is sending option A. Good. C. Option 3 you see, option 4 you see. These are adding. But they said that they are different dimensions. Means they cannot be added or they cannot be subtracted. Okay. Option 2 you see, this exponent should have no dimensions. They should not have any dimensions. If A and B are having some different dimensions, then they won't give you, ratio won't give you 0 dimensions. Means some dimensions are possible here. Means it is not right. Only this is right answer. I hope you understood this point. Yes, this type of questions they may ask you, Nana. Expected question. We can expect this type of question. And this is also important. Previously, so many times they have asked. You need to by heart this value. Dimensions of universal gravitational constant. What? Universal gravitational constant dimensions are SI unit I am writing kg power minus 1 meter cube, sorry, meter cube second power minus 2 means m power minus 1 L cube t power minus 2. Yes, this is the fourth option is right answer. Okay, you need to by heart this value, Nana. Some dimensions you need to by heart. Capital G, capital R, Boltzmann constant, coefficient of rigidity, Poisson's ratio, that dimensions. Just remember the formula, you can get the dimensions, Nana. If you can't by heart means remember the formulas of all that quantities. Okay. Yes. And question number 29, students. See question number 29, Nana. Question number 29 and question number 31. I want answers. Just to see backside and don't give answers. I want explanation also. If you can give explanation, then you are perfect. With explanation, if you can get answer, then it is okay. Fine. First, let us see using mass, length, time, and current as fundamental quantities. What are the dimensions of permeability? Yes, permeability. In which chapter we got? Permeability means mu. Mu, where we got, Nana? What are the dimensions of mu? They are asking. Yes. Magnetism chapter we got this permeability. Correct? Yes. So where we got this mu, where, you need to remember the formula. Where you will get mu. Can you give me that formula? Can you? Yes, you can. Intensity formula. Yeah, good, Naomi. Intensity formula will not give you, I think so. I'll give you one hint. Let us suppose there are two poles are there. One is North Pole, another one is, let us suppose, South Pole or North Pole. Distance between these two is something R, let us suppose. It is having some pole strength M. This is also having some pole strength M. Then what is the attraction or repulsion force, magnetic repulsion force between them? Formula what, Anna? F, magnetic attraction or repulsion force between these two poles is mu naught by 4 pi. Are you getting? Pole strength into pole strength by R square. Do you remember this? It is similar to your what is that one? Coulomb's law of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. You know pole strength unit. Are you getting? Yes, time going to yes, time is there, no problem. We can solve this. Yeah. So mu naught dimension, mu naught unit should be equal to F R square by pole strength square. F means what, Nana? F means nothing but Newton. Newton is nothing but kg meter per second square. Okay. And R is nothing but distance, means meter square upon this pole strength, Nana. What is pole strength unit? Pole strength, Nana. Pole strength unit what, Nana? You can. Pole strength. Ampere into meter. Do you remember that one? Are you getting? Yes. Ampere into meter. 1 meter cancel. You will get kg meter square second power minus 2 ampere power minus 1. So dimensions what? Dimensions are kg means m. Kg, I will write here kg meter square second power minus 2 ampere power minus 1. So dimensions are m l square t power minus 2 a power minus 1. So among these values only they are asking. Yes, where it is? M l square t power minus 2 a power minus 1. Option 2 is that answer. Are you getting, students? Is it clear? So like this dimension chapter will cover your overall syllabus. You need to remember all the formulas. Is it okay? Got it? Yes, I hope you understood this point. Pole strength you need to remember. Pole strength unit is ampere into meter. Okay. Next. Question number 29. This type of questions also sometimes you may get, Nana. See, which of the following pairs do not have similar dimensions? Which pair is not having similar dimensions? Tension and surface tension. Tension is nothing but force. Surface tension is nothing but force. Surface tension, sorry. Surface tension is means what, Anna? Yeah. Surface tension means surface tension. Surface tension. I'll indicate with letter S. Is nothing but force acting per unit length. Are they both same? No. Means this doesn't have same dimensions. So this will be your answer. Check second option. Stress and pressure. Stress means what, Anna? Stress is nothing but force upon area. Pressure means what, Anna? Force upon area. So these two will have same dimensions. Does not have similar dimensions? They are asking. Next. Planck's constant and angular momentum. Yes, important point. Planck's constant means h. Angular momentum means L. Let us check whether they are having same dimensions or not. Planck's constant, where will you get? Na? E is equal to h nu. Do you remember? Or hf? Planck's constant. Then h is equal to E by F. E means energy. And 1 by F can be written as time. T is equal to 1 by F. No. Yes. Energy means what? Na? Kg meter square per second square into time. Second. Means dimensions of Planck's constant are m L square T power minus 1. Okay. Na? This will get second power minus 1. These are the dimensions of Planck's constant. Next, angular momentum. Angular momentum what? MVR. M is mass, kg. V means velocity, meter per second. R means nothing but distance, meter. So you are getting kg meter square per second. Yes, m L square T power minus 1. Yes, means these two quantities will have same dimensions. Did you got, students? Planck's constant and angular momentum both will have same dimensions. Next, angle and strain. Yes, angle is theta, strain is nothing but change in dimensions by strain. Strain means what, Anna? Strain is nothing but change in dimensions by original dimensions. Mechanical properties of solids chapter, we got this, stress and strain. Strain is nothing but change in length by original length, change in area by original area. That means these also will not have dimensions. This also will not have dimensions. Means this also not answer. So what will be your answer? This is your answer. Why? Because does not have similar dimensions they are asking. So this type of questions also important, Nana. I hope you got it. Clear, students? Okay. Yeah. So time is going to end. 1 hour 55 seconds is there. How much it is possible, that much I'll discuss. But one more thing, and tomorrow one more class I'll take. I'll see still what are the points I need to discuss before taking that exam. If many points are there, then today evening one more class I'll take. I'll inform you through WhatsApp group, Nana. Okay. Just after your biology class, that too. Biology class is at 12 o'clock, no? So why to disturb that biology class? After your biology class, I'll inform you the time. One more class I'll take, and tomorrow also I'll take, so that I can cover this chapter. And you prepare well this chapter, units and measurements and scalars and vectors. Nana. Scalars and vectors also important. So today I'll try to finish this chapter. Tomorrow I'll take scalars and vectors. Okay, students? Yeah. So yeah. Next. So on this topic, this type of questions you solve, Nana. Okay. So thereafter, we will discuss about errors. Errors also important in this chapter. On the topic also, they will ask you questions. Okay. Yes, this error topic is pending. Is there? This errors topic I'll discuss in next class. Measurements and errors, Nana. Yes, these are the two main topics in this chapter. Mainly one errors, another one is dimensions. Okay, dimensions almost I have covered. The type of similar problems you practice. Okay, best if you follow this material. Okay, Nana? And those who are having DC Ponde objective material, that also you can read. Yes, from that also